Good morning. Today is Friday the 27th of Feb. Tomorrow is the 28th of Feb, which is my birthday. I'm working both days. So today, let's make our way to the studio and get ready for our first client and follow along for the day. Alrighty, we are here in the studio, ready for another day. So let's get on with it. First client's in about 5 minutes, so I better get ready. Yeah. Good morning. Today is February the 28th, Saturday 28th of Feb. It's my birthday. I'm working and I'm grateful for the work that I have. So I'm working on my birthday. I feel good. So why not? I've already done 3 clients already. My first client was at 8 o'clock. And then I had I've done 4 clients already. Yeah, I've done 4 clients already. So yeah. And I've got another 4 more to go, so finishing about 3 o'clock-ish. So should be a good day. Finish. I'm now just gonna tidy up my sections and pack everything away. So yeah, that's the day done. I'm just gonna tidy up and just go home. That's it, done. I'm in tomorrow for a few clients, so catch me then. If not, Monday we go back into it. Well, we are back in the studio. It is Tuesday the 3rd of March. Ready for another busy day. Well, I say busy, but my first client's at 1 o'clock and I'm gonna be done about 7:30. So had the morning off, didn't have any clients. Yeah, I'm here now. Just getting everything ready for my first client.
It could feel good if you look, make your backbone jump. It could feel good if you look, make your tailbone jump. You can tell me how fast do you want, can you keep me up? It could feel good if you look, make your backbone jump. Oh no, now shake, 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 shake. Like oh no, now shake, shake, shake. How can you? Oh no, now shake, 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 shake. Like oh no, now shake, shake, shake. How can you? Feel the rhythm all in your system, yeah, yeah, yeah. Move your hips and switch the position, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I resist trying to touch and kiss your eyes.
Alrighty. Good morning. It is Wednesday, the 4th of March already. Let me have a look. Yeah, it's Wednesday, the 4th of March. Let's make our way to the studio and get going. It's Wednesday, another busy day. So come along.
You can slow down if you want.
can't even talk now. What have you done on the top? We have point cutted the top to create this texture because Jamie has straight hair, and then we blended it into the beard and just trimmed it up, kept it at medium length. All right, you happy?
Take 7. Yeah.
Alrighty, we got one more client left to go. He's coming in about 15 minutes. Yeah, it's been an okay day. I've got on with it. I've got loads of haircuts done. Now I'm just waiting for my last client, and then once that is done, I'm gonna go to my friend's house, watch the football, and then I'm back here again tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So yeah, let's get on with the last client and finish up the day.
Ey, tengo el pecho pelado, me di una mata, el corazón dándome pata. Dime, baby, ¿dónde tú estás? Pa' llegarle con Roro, Julito, Cristal, Roy, Edgar, Seba, Oscar, Darnell y Big J tocando bata. Hoy la calle la...
Alrighty, good morning. Woke up. Right, let's make a move to the studio. It is Thursday. Another beautiful day. My first client's at 10 a.m. It's currently 9:46 a.m. So I am in a rush to get to the studio, and I'll do that client first, then I'll go to the gym and then to get on with the rest of the day. So I'll see you soon.
Y hoy me emborracho pa' que me ayude. De cuando te tuve, debí darte más besos y abrazos las veces que pude. Ojalá que los míos nunca se muden. Y si hoy me emborracho pa' que me ayude. Ey, hoy voy a estar con abuelo todo el día jugando dominó. Si me pregunto si aún pienso en ti, yo le digo que no.
Right, we are done at the studio. Yeah, that was the busiest day. I started at 10 o'clock, and then I went to the gym. Then I came back, and then I did clients till 7 o'clock, and I'm back here again tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So yeah, time to go home and rest, get some sleep, and then come back again and do it again tomorrow. And then Sunday we are cutting at the Barber Bash, but I will tell you more about that tomorrow.